Hey guys, it's been more than 1 year that most of us are working from home due to this COVID situation. And if you guys are also bored or going crazy while working from home and looking for some productivity tips, then you are at the right place. Today, I will share my top 5 productivity tips which helped me, and I hope it will help you to stay productive and motivated throughout the day. Good evening friends, my name is Jaipal Singh, you are watching TechWood. Let's start this video. Guys, it's been more than 1 year that I am working from home, and since then I have learned a thing or two about what it takes to remain productive, both on business side of the things and family side of the things too. And if you guys are also living in an Indian family like me, that means you are doing a second job at your home with no pay. I hope इस बात से सब रिलेट कर पा रहे होंगे. एंड इस चीज़ को मैनेज करने के लिए गाइज यू नीड टू सेट अ बाउंड्री बिटवीन बोथ ऑफ द थिंग्स. सो विदाउट डिले लेट्स गो ऑन आवर टिप नंबर 5 विच हेल्प्स यू टू रिमेन प्रोडक्टिव ईच डे इज सेटिंग अप अ मॉर्निंग रूटीन. आई होप आप सबको याद होगा कि बिफोर दिस पेंडेमिक व्हेन वी यूज्ड टू वेक अप इन द मॉर्निंग एंड गेट रेडी फॉर ऑफिस, द ब्यूटी ऑफ दोज डेज वर वी नीड टू लीव द हाउस एंड मीट आवर फ्रेंड्स एट ऑफिस. Unfortunately, that routine goes away. Also, when I started working from home, I was one of the most happiest guy. Like बहुत कम लोग होंगे जो इस चेंज से unhappy होंगे. Like you will get your freedom, you become your own boss. But freedom without a routine leads to procrastination, laziness, and being unproductive, which means you have slower starts and longer finishes. सो मैं आप सबको रिकमेंड करूंगा कि आप सब अपना एक मॉर्निंग रूटीन बनाएं, स्टार्टिंग विद फर्स्टली सेटिंग अप एन अलार्म एंड गेटिंग अप एट द सेम टाइम. सेकंड, टेक अ शॉवर सो दैट यू विल फील फ्रेश. After that, have a cup of tea or coffee, whatever you like in morning for a kickstart. Third, the most important, set up a checklist for your daily tasks so that at the end of the day, आपको पता हो that how many tasks have you completed and how many left. Number 4, find your dedicated workplace. I know it's very tempting to work from your bed or your living room sofa. But guys, dedicated workplace means to find a spot for your work which is away from distractions like TV, away from any music or the kitchen. Because during your daily team call, there is always one guy जो कि mute करना भूल जाता है and you will hear sounds like So guys, always find a spot which is quiet for your workplace so that you can completely focus on your work and simply just check outs when the shift ends. Number 3, take breaks. Now for all those bosses and managers जिन्हें लगता है कि breaks are the biggest enemy of being productive, but the reality is a short break can refresh your mind and lead to more productivity in the end. For example, you are stuck in a task from last couple of hours like writing a complex code, lengthy Excel sheet, testing or an idea for a presentation. Taking a short break when your mind is completely exhausted will help your mind to refresh and relax. You can talk to your colleague over phone and discuss the problem, take a 10-minute walk or take a coffee break. ये आपको help करेगा immediately to release your stress and I promise you will come back even stronger. And हो सकता है after sharing your concern with someone, you will come back with different approach to accomplish the same goal. So in nutshell, if you're stressed or exhausted, take a small break, a mental break for yourself to relax down your mind. Number 2, schedule all parts of your day. There is a saying, what doesn't get scheduled doesn't get done. We all need to schedule our day, but remain flexible because this will help you to set a boundary between your work life and your personal life. So there are 3 methods which I implement to schedule my day. First one, check your mail calendar as soon as your shift starts or you log in. ये आपको help करेगा to book your time for your daily team meetings, trainings, etc. सेकेंड मेथड, मेक डेली टास्क लिस्ट फॉर योर सेल्फ. आप किसी एप्लीकेशन का भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं एंड मेरी तरह किसी डायरी पे भी राइट डाउन कर सकते हैं अपने डेली टास्क एंड एट द एंड ऑफ द डे यू कैन चेक दैट हाउ मेनी टास्क यू हैव कंप्लीटेड एंड हाउ मेनी लेफ्ट. थर्ड मेथड, वर्क फॉर नॉर्मल आवर्स. This simply means that work during your shift timings only, like 9 to 5, and as soon as your shift ends, just shut down your system and spend the rest of the day with your family. Now coming to our final and most important tip tip number 1, which is staying connected with your friends and colleagues. I know in many job roles it is not an absolute requirement to stay connected with your colleagues. But in these gloomy days, there is no one who will ask you about your weekend plans, and there is no one sitting in your next cubicle who will ask about the game that you watched last night. And I think staying connected with our friends during this period of pandemic is most important. We can discuss our COVID stories, share our views on a professional growth, we can discuss how things are going, and many more. And I think you guys also noticed that after having a hard day, when we had a discussion with our friend on phone or video call about the day, our mood suddenly changes, our stress is released. So staying connected with our friends or colleagues during this pandemic is most important, and it will help us to stay motivated. Alright guys, these are my top 5 work from home tips to stay productive. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, do hit the like button, share this video with your friends who are also working from home, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for latest updates. See you next video. Take care. Good day.